so that we go into ghost mode and can actually see what we're working with. Again, Alt and middle click will allow you to pan the view around, which is what we need. And then we're going to go back to tweaking and pull some of these points so that they match up with our character from front to back here. And let's see, I kind of want these to resemble the outline of the chin and the side of your face, which this character is a little crazy the way this head is shaped, but we work with what we got. Okay, and let's see here. Go ahead and set this to like the bottom of the mouth. Something like this. Now, we have the outline of our mouth, which is a good starting point for the rest of this facial features as we're going along. It will make it easy to cut the mouth out, which is what we need. And then we're going to set these points here up so that we can get the nose done. And during the process of the nose, we most definitely are probably going to have to do some cutting and manual polygon creation. And let's see. Still leave it kind of rounded a little bit for the nose there. Grab the furthest one there and pull it out. And really need that point of the nose defined. Again, we're just tweaking as we go along here, trying to imagine what this part of the character should look like from the front and side viewpoints. Okay, and let's switch back into 3D perspective. Using the Alt key and the mouse, you can see we're starting to get a more rounded head shape. Now the nose is way out of whack. These outside 2 points right here, this one, and then shift click to get this other one, switch back into right, and we need to pull these back like this, which will decide. Let's go back into 3D so you can see what I'm doing here, and then we're going to move it in like this to kind of pinch it off, coming back to the face like a regular nose. See? And click anywhere else so that's not highlighted. And this part needs to be moved in like this. Okay. There really is no right or wrong answer to this part of the modeling. It is a lot of changing, tweaking, and moving to get it to where it should be. Okay. Same thing with these. We need the front of the nose to be a lot smaller. Like so. Okay. We're getting there. and shift click to get this other one. Highlight the blue arrow to pull it up a little bit. Okay, we're going to have to pull those back out to make the face rounded like it's supposed to, and then we will cut and add new polys for the nose. Okay. There we go. Now, the head should be rounded off the way we need it. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and switch back so we can see this. Okay, tweak this in a little bit. Okay, just like this. Switch to the front. Push it in. About right there. As you can notice, we are very close to where we need to be for this. Switch back into perspective so we can take a look at it. Okay, and any points that are out of location like those, we're going to need to move those in so we can see the side view here. Okay. Grab this. Something like that. Dang it. There we go. Alright. That is kind of the general shape that we're looking for right now. So, this is as good a place as any to stop, and go ahead and keep tweaking if you want until you get your edge loops rounded off the way you want, to where it resembles the head that you're looking for. And once you are satisfied with where you have your edge loops, go ahead and save that as a point of reference so that next we can pick up from there and start cutting and adding new polygons for the nose, the eye, and the mouth. We're just simply using our box that we started off with to get the general shape. The rest of the more important features will have to actually be cut in and created by hand using polygon modeling techniques and extrusion if you want to do it that way. Well, once again, this is Storm, and I will talk to you later at the next part of the tutorial. Thanks for listening. Bye. Make sure and save. I forgot. Make sure and save what you got, because you never know when it's going to crash, just like I just showed a minute ago. That is actually the first and only crash I have ever had with this program, which is kind of interesting that it happened during the tutorial. That's good, I guess, to let Coon know that there's a problem. I'll go ahead and save incrementally a few times, so you will have backups in case something happens. 8, 9, and there we go. One more time. Alright, now that we have those saved, we have a starting point for the next tutorial. I'll go ahead and drag this up here, get it in the center again, and save one more time, save scene, and that's it. And I'll see you next time with the cutting and the polygonal modeling techniques. Thanks for listening, and have a great day.